Four maids of honor. They are really much. This is like a set.
Get it a big given apart from life.
Hello guys, join me pack my bridesmaid gifts, my bridesmaid bridal shower gifts, my bridesmaid wedding gifts, something like that, right? So I decided to get some stuff for my bridesmaid. Like, they are much. I have a lot of girls. They are really much. This is like a set. Then we also have this. Look, they are really much. So I got all this for my bridesmaids, and I got this for my maids of honor. Yes, I have 4 maids of honor. Hey, 4 maids of honor, 4 maids of special maids of honor, 4 of them. So I got this for them too, right? So I'm going to unbox what is in the bag. What is in this bag? Mind you, everything here, everything you're seeing here is imported. From the packaging down to the contents of the bag, they are all imported. So I'm going to unbox this one after the other. All right, so this is the bag. We decided to customize it so everyone will know theirs. So the first thing in the bag, why am I not touching this first? The first thing in the bag is this selfie ring light. Yeah, so as a content creator, I always encourage my girls, like if you ask them, they will tell you. I always encourage them to make sure they create content for their brands, content for whatever they're doing, their businesses. And I've decided to support that with my little selfie lights. Yes, so you can start with this until you have money to buy your big ring lights. All right, so this is the first one. Look at the lights here. Everything here is imported. 3. This is how bright this light is, right? And the little charger that comes with it. All right, so let's move to the second item. We have this makeup brush. This set of makeup brush is locked. Okay, so this set of makeup brush is something that I always wish to buy for my girls and for myself too, because makeup is not expensive, so we have to try out things ourselves. So this is the makeup brush. Yeah, so it's a set. So I'm putting it in this bag here. Then we also have this set of lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's water based and it's natural. Look at it here. It's a 3-in-1 lip gloss. Yes, I have to give this to them too. Okay, so we have the last item in this bag is this cute earring. Yeah, so everyone is wearing same pairs of earrings. So everything here is imported from Zeeplus importation. Yeah, so if you want to get your bridesmaid gift, you could also check them out, and they offer the best. I hope they love this, because me, I love it. I love it. I just hope it puts smiles on their face. My lipstick is here. Lipstick. Because I've been getting lipstick. I cannot go buy 2.5.
You don't put for this one. The ones you don't put, give me.
Okay.
You don't put this.
We get one of our friends for my own.
Black fingers upon the beat.
I'm not the opening. You know one guy here in transfer saying I'm doing tell him price finish. So you can finally do the wedding. Because at that time, you know, call me for the cake again. The normal doing the always use tea. Best you do it for me. Best you do it for me. Best you do it for me. Papa say no wahala. You can't do the money for me. You can't charge me. This one's not complete. This one's not complete. Say, oh boy, you're not inviting for your wedding. You only tell me about cake. Don't tell me say no, it's not like that. I say it's like that. I can't check our chat. Maybe I need to make mistake. Say maybe send me invite. I don't say anything like you're invited to my wedding or card will send
This
gift.
week we need 4.
Let me can ask you for her. How many days? Must add one.
Okay, so we start again. This way.
This box is not complete.
Black fingers upon the beat.
That one is good. After that one, now the next chair.
You start the brush from this one. You even get back to put makeup. You ready for this thing?
The whole brush. The girls are
Back then.
Send you. So she said, "When you're doing it because of me, it's a gift for me. This one to you, follow for the baby. All this one,
This. You completed of good. Get one special person you carry. But I am that liking my. That's way too
I didn't remember. So she didn't make up.
anything big given apart from light.
If I don't mention her now, about 10 percent now, to the middle of the
I don't talk to no person.
I said, this light, they different colors.
All na pink.
Those people, they get 5, have you? 5 of them. Never.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just put her inside after we check and arrange her.
She's gonna take it.
Check.
Let's see from the front.
How many?
My phone.
3.
Okay, I have to go now. I can't wait for my big day. I'm so excited. We're just few days ahead. Wish me well, wish me well. This whole marriage thing is a new thing to me. So just pray for me. Thank you.